So I've been looking forward to this coming, if it is what I think it is. So unbox it with me and I'll show you what's in here. It is here. I've been so excited for this. So as you all know, I've been trying to lose weight. So Renpho have sent me their solar powered weighing scales, which I will show you now. And here she is. How posh are they, by the way? So not only are they solar powered, which is fantastic. I can throw away my batteries, and they're eco-friendly, save the planet as well. You get this QR code here. You download the Renpho Health app with your QR code, and then it gives you 13 body essential measurements such as BMI, water weight and muscle mass as well, along with other features. I think there's a metabolic age as well, which I think will be really good. So that'll be fantastic, because normally I just Google my BMI. So when I lose weight, I'll put it back in. With this, it will literally just tell me everything. And it's really good for people that go to the gym as well, because you tend to lose inches. And this will tell us a lot more, especially with the muscle mass. So you can also share your progression with family and friends as well, through their sharing app. And then not only have you got all that, which is just fantastic in itself, you also have a pet and a baby feature. So you can get on here with your pet and your baby, and it will tell you their weight. So that, again, is absolutely great, because I've got a pug who has not lost his Christmas weight, so he will be getting on here with me as well, so I can keep him accountable. So I think it's just amazing. I will be literally using this to track my progression from now on. And I've also got a code if you want it with 10% off. So I will link it below, and I will also put it in my bio with the website as well. But I'm really excited to use these.